Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the steering column adjustment lever in this 2008 Chevy Silverado work truck. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So I'm going to grab this handle for the steering wheel adjustment and I'm just going to pull it straight outwards. Just like that, pull it off. This generally is very hard to get off. If you have to, just try to get a little screwdriver and pry it out, but you really gotta force it out. All right, to reinstall this steering wheel column adjustment lever, just line this tab up and just lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.